Sanibona bafethu uvane lo latest on transfer news nginiphathele indaba zama transfers kwi-PSL bafethu. Amathimba amaningi ayathenga engabe yakhe team iyathenga na. So indaba zokuqala la ihamba phambili Orlando Pirates namhlanje i-announce abadlali abayi7. Announce abadlali abayi7 bafethu okubani uTsebang Moremi uSihlendulo sinoxolo kwayiba kubani uTsepe Mashiliyoni uNemtajela mase kuba ubani uNdaba mase kuba uyanela Mbuthuma istriker sakweRichards Bay yabo ibona abadlali ababa-announcile namhlanje labo abazofika bayogadla kwi-Orlando Pirates njobani babona la abadlali abasayinwe i-Orlando Pirates ade sebemile-ke la beshuthwa i-Orlando Pirates mfethu bafikile bagqokisha ama-tracksuit abawathole kuyona i-Orlando Pirates bafisela okuhle abajida mfethu nayi i3 le phambili usinoxolo kwayiba lo uyanela Mbuthuma noTsebang Moremi babona bejabule ngempela abafana bajabulile babona nje ukuthi bahippy bayodlalela institution enkulu iOrlando Pirates. I hope bazofika lapha bazenzele uduma bazenzele amagama bangafike baba ama signings yabo ama signings avela acwele nje because if you remember iOrlando Pirates sekeyenza i-signing ecishe ifane kanje yakhumbula iOrlando Pirates announce abadlali abaningi kanje yabo most abadlali badlala kahle iOrlando Pirates kwaqhama labo nalapho yabo ngikhumbula kahle uVincent Poli uyena mdlali for me wabe stand out kule season le emungu osikhathi sayina but the rest of these players babeba nawo ama glimpses okuba great but yangifuna uqhama ke leli windi leli lalithembisa to be one of the best windows but ke abadlali sabathola la ba few ababama stand out signings for Orlando Pirates but ke engathi ngingashintsha kuleli windi Orlando Pirates esayina kulona right now yabo labadlali sibathenga manje engathi banga add ivalue kule squad esinaso. Kwesinye izindaba bafethu iToyota Cup i-announcewe namhlanje iKaizer Chiefs iyodlala against iAsante Kotoko SC iclub le yaseGhana edlala ngempela bafethu regarded as one of the biggest clubs adlala le eGhana azobhekana neKaizer Chiefs ngo-26 July le Moses Mabhida mufuna uzobona iclub yakho iKaizer Chiefs idlala against iAsante Kotoko thenga tickets uyobuka iKaizer Chiefs bafethu bazobe begqoke ijezi elisha lapha Moses Mabhida bazo introduce abadlali abasha kuma fans so mufuna ukuyobukela iKaizer Chiefs hamba uthenga ithikithi 26 July ilapho khona iKaizer Chiefs iyodlala khona against iAsante Kotoko. Kwesinye izindaba bafethu iRichards Bay are continuing their adjustments as they release the attacking midfielder uThato Mohlome. uThato Mohlame umunye wabadlali bafethu latest usathanda kuchithwa iRichards Bay FC. iRichards Bay FC bafethu iyachitha ngempela iyadayisa ngala kuningi okwenzakalayo kuRichards Bay. I hope kuzobasebenzela yabo abadlali abazobaletha bazobasiza ngempela because uchitha abadlali abaningi kanje nokudayisa abadlali abaningi kanje ngayibulala iclub yabo but ke I hope kuzobasebenzela. Kwezinye izindaba kuthiwa AmaZulu are posed to pounce on former Durban City coach uSimo Dladla as the second assistant coach head under uKatazwana yabo bafuna uSimo Dladla abe i-assistant coach yalo baba lo Atazwana lo coach lapha kuMaZulu asazi noma leyo deal lezowenza yini because mina ngikhumbula kahle uSimo Dladla usathanda kuchithwa iDurban City le team le ayithathile wayisa kwiBetway Premiership isathanda kumchitha usethola ithuba lenqayiziveleke manje AmaZulu ayamfuna ayosiza uAtazwana lapha bi-assistant coach yaAtazwana yabo ithuba elihle kakhulu leli for uSimo Dladla ukuthi ayibonakalise kumathima kwiBetway Premiership ukuthi yini into engafika ayenze kwi-team uma efika kuyona yabo AmaZulu right now nabo bakwi-transitional move. Kwezinye izindaba kuthiwa the former Kaizer Chiefs coach uKevin Hunt has taken the lead in the race for the Durban City head coach role yabo nyamkhumbula bafethu uKevin Hunt usathanda kuchithwa iSuperSport United. iSuperSport United ayingaculisekanga ngama results ayenikeza wona so yamchitha ke uKevin Hunt. Right now uKevin Hunt ngenzeka abu coach omusha weDurban City lesathanda kuchitha uSimo Dladla yabo. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu Orlando Pirates have agreed to sign the Mali midfielder uMariko bafethu lo bedlala le kwiJoliba ahead of the 2025-2026 season. The 23-year-old is set to arrive in Johannesburg namhlanje yabo agreeing a 2-year deal with an option to extend bafethu ngikhulumile ngalomchita bafethu izolo kwindaba zayizolo kuthiwa ubefuna iOrlando Pirates ke isigcina simsayinile umchita on a 2-year yabo una 23 years old uzodlala nje for Orlando Pirates kulama 2 seasons mase ethola ioption ukuthi extend Orlando Pirates yona izoactivate le option noma ngeze activate kuzoba kuyona Orlando Pirates but ke umchita uzodlala ama season amabili mase kuba neoption yokuthi a renew with the club noma cha. Kwezinye zey'ndawo bafethu iMamelodi Sundowns analyst uYardan Valodia agreed to join iLamontville Golden Arrows as head of analyst. The 20-year-old won under-20 AFCON with Amajita joins Manqoba Mnisi technical team. Yabona bafethu izinto ezikanje zajabulisa ngempela. Imagine iMamelodi Sundowns analyst ona 20 years old. Lo mjita lo ube analyst eSundowns. Right now uyaya kuManqoba Mnisi. uManqoba Mnisi ke bese miyisana naye le kuMamelodi Sundowns. Right now uyobe analyst yiGolden Arrows. Khona into ephekwe iGolden Arrows kuyeza kuyenyelela. Asazi iphekani iGolden Arrows, but I've seen a lot of moves enziwe iGolden Arrows. Mahle kakhulu ama moves enziwe iGolden Arrows. Kuyajabulisa ukubona i-team yala eThekwini yenza izinto ezikanje. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu, Big Bullets midfielder uYoung Kosinga is set to join iGolden Arrows bafethu. Una 25 years old lo mjita bafethu uzojoina iGolden Arrows kule season ezoqala nje right now. Arrows bafethu iyaqhubeka yenza ama big moves. Asazi lo mjita angimazi kakhulu, mhlawumbe ungangitshela ngaye sekwambona edlala here and there, angazi ngimbone lo mjita lo, ngiyaqala ukumusa but ke uzojoina iGolden Arrows kule season ezoqala. Kwezinye izindaba futhi kuthiwa iBetway Premiership Club iTS Galaxy have landed in hot water with the World Football Governing Body as they've been sanctioned by FIFA due to contractual disputes with the Liberian midfielder uJackby Morris Kone. Yabo kuthiwa bafethu iTS Galaxy senkingeni kakhulu la. Isenkingeni kakhulu ngoba iFIFA izoba sanction due to umdlali oyebadlalela uJackby Morris Kone. I hope lento bayosheshe bayixazulule because bazovele bathole nje i-transfer ban enzima kabi. Bathole i-transfer ban enzima kabi. If you remember iRoyal AM yayine same issue. iRoyal AM yayine same issue with abo Nukovic, yabo with abo Ricardo Nascimento. Kwezinye zey'ndaba bafethu iMarumo Gallants have confirmed uLafite Alexandre as their new head coach on 28 years old. Yabo lo coach lo bafethu ube coach iStade Abidjan le eCote d'Ivoire. Right now umjita useyo coach iMarumo Gallants usathanda kuwina nje ileague. Yabo usathanda kuwina ileague with iStade Abidjan, usetholwe umsebenzi omusha la eSouth Africa. It looks like bafethu ucoach abaningi bala eAfrica bafuna ukuza la eSouth Africa bazocoach amateam amaningi. Lokhu coach nje usathanda kuwina with iStade Abidjan le eCote d'Ivoire usethola umsebenzi kwiMarumo Gallants. iMarumo Gallants naye engenzi kahle esathanda khambela ucoach oseyo coach Orlando Pirates, yabo. Kwezinye zey'ndaba bafethu i-trender right now to iKaizer Chiefs expected to finalize a deal with the classic number 9 of Flavio Silva on 29 years old. He's been playing in Indonesia. Iclub ekuthiwa iPesebaya Surabaya. Kuthiwa umjita he scored 9 goals in 33 matches last season as per transfer markets. Basho njalo bathi ama-games awadlalela u-33 but ukore ama-goals awu-9. Umjita shuthi uyadlala ngempela. And ngithe sengiwabo ama-videos wakhe, striker sangempela lesi, striker is-physical, striker iside, striker ongasifanisa noPeter Shalulile, striker lesi esikepa ngempela esiyazi unethi ashwibi nje kalula. I hope mesifika iKaizer Chiefs of yesidlale kahle. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu English Championship side QPR isireache i-agreement with the Stellenbosch FC to sign uTyrone Smith bafethu. Ifee abayishongo but ke the 20-year-old is to sign a long-term contract after ama-personal terms esereachiwe. SA under-20 international will still need to undergo a medical before completing his move to QPR, a club le dlala ku-England Championship side. Nyayazi bafethu QPR. I think uBenny McCarthy sekwayidlalela before iQueen's Park Rangers or Roses, something like that. But I remember uBenny McCarthy sekwayidlalela le team le. Yabo I may be wrong ngangitshela ama comments, but I remember very well uBenny McCarthy playing for this club. Yabo.